What if a bottle is half empty? The machine rejects it instantly. Now making the cactus medicine. How many pills per minute? Over 3,000 produced automatically.
Uno, dos, arriba. 200. Sigue, sigue.
Why cut them into cubes? This process prepares the cactus for maximum juice extraction.
What if a bottle is half empty? The machine rejects it instantly. Now making the cactus medicine. How many pills per minute? Over 3,000 produced automatically. Why use foil packs? Keeps every pill fresh until used. Testing the chemical purity. Why wrap them in groups? Easier for pharmacies to stock shelves. Shipping preparation.
Right there on the line for the BOL. Okay, signed, appreciate it.
Welcome to the Central Hub. Miles of conveyor belts move at 500 feet per minute, routing thousands of boxes with near-perfect accuracy.
Doesn't that look refreshing? Ready for you to buy. But what about the medicine pills?
Why is it so slimy? That's the soluble fiber, the medicine. Squeezing the liquid out.
Is this the final product?
No, we need to concentrate it, the drying tower. Why foil? It keeps every pill fresh for years. Now, into the box.
Is that fruit edible? It's delicious, but covered in invisible needles. How do they pick it without pain?
Are they safe now? Yes, smooth as an apple.
Smooth or chunky? Perfectly smooth for jelly, boiling with sugar.
Why heat the jars? Cold glass plus hot jam equals explosion.
Is it liquid? It sets into jelly as it cools. Sealing the lid.
Is there sand in my tea? Not after this machine cleans it. Adding the green cactus.
Does it taste like spinach? It develops a nutty, grassy flavor like matcha. Mixing the blend.
Is that plastic? No, it's cornstarch, fully compostable.
Flavor profile confirmed. Batch approved.
Why are these seeds special? They hold the anti-aging oil, the liquid gold source.
Is it sticky? It's cool, soothing, and packed with vitamins. Squeezing the rocks.
It takes 1 million seeds to make a small bottle.
How much in a jar? Exactly 50 milliliters of concentrated cactus power.
Is it sealed? Hermetically sealed for freshness.
The brand.
Is it printed on the glass? No, it's an ultra-clear, invisible label. The box?
Why such a nice box? Because it sells for $80 a jar. The store.
How do they sort it all? Barcodes direct every single item. The fastest boxer.
How many boxes fit? Over 3,000 packages in one truck. Subscribe.